Welcome to our video on how to reduce stress for your Eclectus parrot during travel. If you're planning a trip and want to ensure your feathered friend stays calm and happy, you're in the right place. First, preparation is key. Before you travel, get your Eclectus parrot used to their carrier. Spend time with them in it and make it a positive space. Next, bring along comfort items. Familiar toys, a favorite blanket, or even a piece of your clothing can help your parrot feel secure during the journey. Finally, during travel, keep the environment calm. Play soft music, avoid sudden movements, and talk to your parrot in a soothing voice to help them relax. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to subscribe for more advice on caring for your feathered friends.